Are you still showing up at the airport a full 2 hours before your flight, just because that's what you've always been told is the safe thing to do? Well, in 2025, that outdated advice might actually be costing you time, money, and a lot of unnecessary stress. The truth is, the travel industry has changed more in the last 5 years than it did in the last 20. Technology is smarter, security is faster, and boarding processes are more efficient. Yet most travelers are stuck in old habits, following rules that don't really apply anymore. In today's video, I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 powerful airport and airline secrets that insiders don't want you to know. These are things that airports, airlines, and even booking sites rarely advertise because, frankly, they make money when you don't know them. From facial recognition tracking you without your consent, to sneaky tricks that inflate your ticket price based on your browsing history, to the real reason airports want you to arrive hours before your flight. This is the knowledge that can save you hundreds of dollars and hours of frustration. Stick with me until the end, because not only will I reveal how to avoid the most common airport traps, I'll also share how to actually use the system to your advantage. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just take one trip a year, these tips will change the way you travel forever. Secret number 1, they're watching you. Airports don't just rely on cameras anymore. In 2025, behavioral detection officers in plain clothes are watching for nervous gestures, unusual movement, and even micro-expressions. Facial recognition technology is everywhere. Clear in the US, SmartGate in Australia, and e-passport gates in the UK. Some boarding gates no longer require a physical ID. Your face is your boarding pass. Even digital billboards can change ads based on your facial profile. And here's something most people miss. Marks like SSS on your boarding pass mean you've been flagged for secondary screening. If that feels too invasive, you can sometimes opt out. Ask for a manual ID check, adjust privacy settings in your travel apps, and always review your boarding pass for unusual codes. Secret number 2, flight prices aren't fixed. Ever notice flight prices jump after you search multiple times? That's not random. It's cookies and algorithms tracking your interest. Airlines know you're serious about booking, and in 2025, the system even analyzes your device type, location, and frequent flyer status. Prices can be different if you book on a phone versus a laptop, or in one country versus another. Want to beat the system? Use incognito mode, clear cookies, and try a VPN to search from another region. Compare fares on ITA Matrix, Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Hopper. Sometimes booking in another currency can save you more than $100. Secret number 3, stop arriving 2 hours early. The golden rule of get there 2 hours before your flight benefits airports more than you. Why? Because the earlier you arrive, the more likely you are to spend money on overpriced food, duty-free shops, and drinks. With biometric boarding, TSA PreCheck, and real-time wait time apps, many passengers only need 60 to 75 minutes for domestic flights. International flights still require buffer time, but even then, predictive crowd flow systems in major airports like Singapore Changi, Tokyo Haneda, and Atlanta Hartsfield make the process much faster than it used to be. Secret number 4, your bags aren't handled with care. Over 26 million bags were mishandled in 2023 alone. Fragile stickers are often ignored, and speed is prioritized over care. Protect yourself. Use hard-shell luggage, add a bright strap or ribbon, track with air tags, and always report damage immediately at the airport. Never check essentials like medication, electronics, or valuables. Secret number 5, $6 bottled water is a scam. Airport bottled water costs more than a meal. Instead, bring a collapsible empty bottle through security and refill it at hydration stations, now common at airports like LAX, JFK, Heathrow, and Changi. Some terminals even have sparkling water taps for free. Staying hydrated helps with jet lag and immune health. Secret number 6, free Wi-Fi isn't free. Airport Wi-Fi providers collect your browsing data to sell to advertisers. Ever see neck pillow ads after searching at the gate? That's why. Always use a VPN, avoid logging into banks or shopping sites, and download entertainment ahead of time to skip public networks. Secret number 7. You might be owed money. In the EU, you can claim $250 and $600 for delays over 3 hours. In Canada, compensation can reach $1,000. Even in the US, some airlines give vouchers if you ask. Use apps like AirHelp or check your credit card benefits. Most travelers don't claim what's rightfully theirs. Secret number 8. Airport lounges aren't just for first class. Thanks to credit cards like Amex Platinum, Capital One Venture X, and Chase Sapphire Reserve, anyone can access lounges. Day passes are also available for $25.50 via LoungeBuddy. Lounges give you Wi-Fi, food, drinks, nap pods, and peace, and sometimes the cost is less than what you'd spend at a terminal restaurant. Secret number 9. Duty-free isn't always a deal. Tax-free doesn't always mean cheap. Many products are marked up or repackaged in smaller quantities. Always compare prices online before buying. Secret number 10. Faster security exists. Some airports have hidden checkpoints with shorter lines. Use apps like TSA's app or Google Maps to check wait times. TSA PreCheck, Clear, and Global Entry are worth every penny. Secret number 11. Sleeping at the airport can be smart. With capsule hotels, nap pods, and 24/7 rest zones, sleeping in airports is safer and cheaper than last-minute hotels. Websites like sleepinginairports.net help you find the best spots. Secret number 12. Currency exchange is a rip-off. Airport kiosks often overcharge 5–15%. Use ATMs from major banks or a travel credit card with no foreign fees. Services like Wise or TravelX offer better pre-booked rates. Secret number 13. Airline food secrets. Pilots never eat the same meal to avoid both getting food poisoning. If you want fresher food, request a special meal, vegetarian, vegan, kosher. They're usually prepared separately and served first. Always pack your own snacks to beat bland or overpriced airplane food. Secret number 14. Duty-free liquids can be confiscated. If you have a layover, your duty-free bottle of whiskey or perfume may be taken, even if sealed. Always check connecting airport rules or request a tamper-evident bag. Secret number 15. Why seats are almost always blue. Blue fabric calms anxious passengers and hides stains better than other colors. Airlines choose it strategically to save on cleaning and to keep planes looking newer longer. And that's it. 15 powerful airport and airline secrets that most travelers have never heard about. With these tips, you'll skip the lines, dodge the scams, and travel smarter every single time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who has a trip coming up. Comment below which secret surprised you most, and if you have your own airport hack, share it with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss insider travel tips. Safe travels, and maybe next time you don't need to arrive 2 hours early.